Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the Code Runner extension for VS Code. So it is not a library, but instead it's an extension that allows you to run code for multiple languages, including Python. So you can run the code directly from the editor, and it also offers shortcut like the run code and stop code run. So let's see how to install this particular extension. So in order to install the extension, you need to head on to the extensions tab of your VS Code, or you can also press the Ctrl Shift and X key combinations. Then once you're inside the extensions tab, you need to search for the Code Runner library. And here you can see that you will come across with this particular extension, which is the Code Runner, with around 32.7 million downloads by Junhan. So you need to click on the install button to install this particular library, and it will ask you if you trust the publisher. Then you need to click on the trust publisher and install button, and once you will do that, here you can see that the installation has been successfully completed. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.